Wow, this is only 15 rupees.
Masala rice.
Masala rice. Hello guys, how are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's me, your friend John. How are you all? Please let me know in the comment. So guys, today I'm gonna show you Kolkata's most cheapest street food, which is the thali, right? Now you will come to know what thali is. So let's go and explore and try some delicious street food here on the street of Kolkata. So if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button. It will really help me to make more good videos for you so you can watch, right? So let's go guys. Right guys, so finally I reached to this location here to try the street thali, right here in a place called the Benting Street. So here we are guys. Hello Bhaiya, good afternoon. How are you? Right, so aap owner ho yahan ka na? So this brother is the owner of the shop and these brothers are helpers, right? So they help this brother to okay,
Everybody is the owner for the shop.
he's a kind-hearted person, guys. Look, and look, guys. I'm gonna show you the types of curries that they have over here. Look, guys.
This one the mixed veg paneer.
This is the mixed
Mixed
veg
veg
paneer.
paneer.
Look,
Yeah.
guys. So paneer is the cottage cheese, and they have different vegetables, and they made that with Indian spice, right? And what is this, brother?
Chana masala.
This is the chana masala, guys. Look, wow. And this is the butter paneer. Paneer is the cottage cheese, and they made this with butter, right? With Indian spice as well.
This one is the chili baby corn egg roti.
Wow, guys, I believe you have had chili chicken, but this is the chili paneer. Chili paneer.
Baby corn paneer.
This is like pure veg, right? All the items are pure veg. Wow,
Butter paneer.
this is the butter paneer. Wow, guys, looks yummy, right? And what's this, brother?
Palak paneer.
This is the palak paneer. Palak is the spinach and the cottage cheese and some Indian spice, right? Looks delicious.
Different items is the masala rice.
Guys, and this one is the masala rice.
And this
Wow.
one also the paneer.
And you can enjoy it with any of the.
This is the masala kulcha.
This is the masala kulcha, guys. Look. And they apply the butter as well, right? To make the bread a bit softer, right? And this is the cherry naan.
Yeah.
This is a very unique, dish of the shop. So they make the, bread with the cherry. This is the cherry here, guys. Look. Just look at the size of this bread. It's insane, right? Can you eat this full one, guys? I don't think so. One will be, too filling.
अरे ये ऐसे ही यार प्लेन है ना 50 रुपए लेकर के तेल लोग बता रहा है पनीर टिक्का this price is only 15 rupees.
Wow, this is only 15 rupees. Guys,
The price is only the cheaper price.
the most cheapest thali you can find across here in
Price is
Kolkata.
only 45 rupees.
This is only 45.
45.
That's insane, brother.
Anyone sabji you want.
You are doing a great job. You're feeding the people for so affordable price. That's amazing, guys. So nobody will go hungry in this brother's shop, right?
नान पार्सल भी होगा इसमें एक नान लगा दो
ठीक है वहाँ का मटर पनीर वहाँ का नान में क्या सब्जी है
And they have this pizza cutter to cut the bread.
पिज्जा कटर
पनीर
Yeah.
मिलेगा मिक्स वेज नहीं मटर पनीर
लाओ बटर नान लाओ
So brother, कैसे हो आप? How are you?
अच्छा
अभी आप क्या बना रही है?
ये
नान है,
नान
नान।
नान
नान
नान।
कौन सा नान है?
ये चेरी नान है, चेरी नान।
Oh, guys, look. This is the cherry naan. Just look at the scale of his hand, guys. That's insane. And they have that, tandoor right over there. So he's gonna put that inside the tandoor. And the tandoor is like very, very hot, right? He has a hand of iron, I believe. Because normal people cannot do that. That's insane, guys. Cherry mixed with coriander, onion, chili, right? And they put this on the bread and they roll. That's how they make this delicious bread called the cherry naan. It's a very unique dish. And just look at the crowd, guys. This is the most affordable, thali you can find across here in
चावल,
Kolkata.
इसमें राइस, मसाला राइस,
Masala rice and how much for this, Dada?
only 60 rupees.
Only 60 rupees. That's nice. And
Papad, roasted papad.
roasted papad.
This
Wow,
price only
wow.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. And that's the mango pickle, right? Mango pickle.
ये आप लोग क्या कीजिए?
Masala rice. Look, guys, the most affordable street food.
राइस सब्जी क्या रहेगा? बटर तंदूरी मारो, दो तंदूरी बटर लगाओ।
And guys, and they have this, masala chili, right? Masala chili.
से कुछ नान माने थे। आई दो तंदूरी बटर में सब्जी क्या गया?
चना चिली पनीर
चिली पनीर।
ये क्या है?
वाला बटर पनीर है, ये मटर पनीर है, ये पालक पनीर है, मिक्स पनीर है, चना मसाला है। ये
So guys, right now the time is about 2 in the afternoon. So just look at the crowd. People really love this food. It's not because of it's cheap or it's affordable. The taste is like faster taste, right? The taste is very good. This is the palak paneer, right, brother? Palak paneer. Guys, once they take the bread out of that tandoor, right, the bread gets a bit hard, right? So they apply the butter to make the bread soft, so you can enjoy it with any of the curries I showed you, right? Which is your favorite curry? You let me know in the comment, guys.
रोटी छोड़िएगा। वो चिल्ली बेबी कॉर्न पनीर है, ये बटर पनीर है, मटर पनीर है, पालक पनीर है, मिक्स वेज है।
And this is the menu. Look, guys. So for half is like 30 rupees and for full is 40. Just look at the scale of his hand, guys. He has a hand of iron. Seriously, guys, that tube there, that tandoor is super hot. It's very, very hot. Normal people cannot do that. You will burn your hand hair, I guess. He's a very hardworking man. All of the brothers are very hardworking, Excuse me, bro. Now let me go this side and show you from this side. How does the view look from this side? Excuse me, brother.
रोटी होगा, 3 रोटी पार्सल करेगा आपका।
खाली आपको 3 नान और कुछ है भैया? एक नान ऊपर दे दो, दे ना भैया, रोटी निकलने दी, दे। कुलचा रेडी है। नान भी कर देगा।
Sorry, brother.
आइए, नान में क्या सब्जी बोले? खाली पालक पनीर दे रहे? हाँ, पालक पनीर दे रहे। ऊपर में जल्दी दे दो, खाली कर दो, राइस खाना को उठो पहले। रोटी लगा हुआ है। थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट में साइड करो, राइस दे दो। हो गया।
So guys, you know, that's the main road there, right? So he sits right on the footpath. And what is this, brother?
Raita.
Raita. Right, guys. So after looking at those delicious food, right, my mouth is watering. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? So let's try this.
चिल्ली बेबी कॉर्न पनीर
रोटी दे रहे सर। रोटी छोड़िए। रोटी दीजिए।
So guys, finally I got the cheapest thali here in Kolkata, right? So I got this chili, paneer and two naan, and they give onion and some mango pickle, right? But this two naan will be too much for me, so brother,
बटर है, चिली है, चना है, मटर।
take one. Yeah, thank you. So guys, I'm gonna have one naan with some chili paneer. Let's try this, guys. So guys, first I'm gonna take a little bit of the naan. It just came out of that, hot piping tandoor there, right? Now let's try this. So I got the chili paneer. So I'm gonna dip this in the gravy. Now let's try this, guys. So guys, here we are trying the most affordable or the cheapest street food or the thali here in Kolkata. So guys, cheers. Now, by the help of the spoon, I'm gonna take the paneer, right? Now let's try the paneer as well, right? It's nice. Now guys, I told you about this, right? This is the pickled chili, right? So let's give it a bite. If you love spice of the food. So guys, I'm gonna finish this, right? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. It's me, your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Peace out, guys, and please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Brother, thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Peace out.